Hello everyone and welcome back to Neil Explains. Today I come with this viral maths question. This one is very viral in the internet. If you have already solved this, go and comment your right answer. I will give them heart, and those who don't want to solve, I will solve for them in stepwise. Okay, with the help of BODMAS. So if you think that 4 times 3, that is 12, divided by 12 plus 5, and 12 divided by 12, that is 1 plus 5, and 5 1 plus, which will be 6, then your answer is wrong. What will the right way? I will solve like that. Our question is 5 plus 12 divided by 4 into 3. In the next step, as we know, the multiplication and division have the same priority, and in that case we solve from left to right. Okay, so here we will solve left to right. First 5 plus, we will do this division part first. 12 divided by 4, which equals to 3 into 3. Now now we will do multiplication part. 3 times 3, which equals to 9, plus 5. 5 plus 9, which equals to 14. So here 14 will be the right answer, and those who want to more maths like this, subscribe our channel. And thanks for watching, and go check out our best math books in the description.